how to make your own Hawaiian masterpiece with Maggie Davies in this 3-part series. It is packed full of detail and tips, including how to design, template and cut your motif to make your own unique and beautiful Hawaiian applique design. Unfolding, pinning and tacking the motif fabric accurately to make life easier later. A technique called needle turning, using an invisible applique stitch, and how to create the perfect flat points. And you will also learn what tools Maggie recommends, from an alternative to a thimble through to the perfect applique needle. Anyone interested in achieving a wonderful piece of stitched applique should watch this series. Become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our videos for as little as £5 a month. You can also purchase a series or individual workshops to create your own personal library with on-demand access. Happy sewing!